So in today's video, I'm going to show you a simple trick to delete a photo from your Google Photos cloud but still keep that photo on your iPhone. To do this, just follow these steps carefully and you will be safe. First, open your Google Photos app. Now listen, if you select a photo here and tap trash icon, Google can delete it from your iPhone storage too. And yeah, Google even shows a warning like this will delete from your device. So we are not going to delete it from app. We will avoid that completely. Now the correct way is to delete the photo from Google Photos cloud. We have to do it from Google Photos website, not the app. So let's do it step by step. First, open any browser. You can use Safari, Chrome or any browser you like. Now go to Google Photos website. You can either go to google.com, then tap on this menu icon and choose photos. And there is a easier way, that is just type photos.google.com. Now sign in with the same Google account where your photos are backed up. Now you are inside Google Photos on the website. Now find the photos or videos you wanna delete. Just scroll and locate it. Open the photo or video. Now you'll see a trash icon. Tap on that. Now tap on move to trash. And that's it. This will delete the photo from your Google Photos cloud library, but it will stay in your phone gallery. So I am hopping into my Photos app. As you can see, the photo is still in my phone, but it's deleted from my Google Photos cloud. Now one important thing you should know, when you delete photos or videos from the website, the photos and videos go into the trash first. So it's not permanently deleted instantly. Google keeps it there for 30 days. So if you want to delete it forever from Google Photos, on the top left, tap on 3 lines. Scroll down and tap on trash. Here you'll see all deleted photos and videos from the last 30 days. Choose the one you want to remove forever. Now tap on delete icon. Again tap on delete to confirm. And we are done. Now the photo will disappear completely from Google Photos cloud. But if you wanna wipe everything from trash in one go, tap on here, then hit empty trash. And we are done. Your all photos and videos will be deleted from your Google Photos cloud permanently. So yeah, this is the safest and correct way to delete photos from Google Photos cloud but still keep them saved on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this.